Hey guys, if you use Coinbase to purchase crypto, I'm about to save you so much money. Keep watching this one. Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. I have something very interesting to show today. I was taught very early on to use Coinbase Pro over the regular Coinbase. They said you would save money on fees, but actually I was dragging my feet and had not done it because I was getting crypto from other exchanges. But I decided to check it out and really see what the difference is. And when I did, as soon as I got all signed up and everything, actually a couple months ago, I still hadn't tried it. Then today I was like, let me try it, just see what the difference is. And Coinbase Pro is going away and they're now moving to something called Coinbase Advanced. From my understanding, Coinbase Pro was kind of like a whole different website, but it seems like this Coinbase Advanced is kind of more connected to the regular just Coinbase. So to get started, all you really have to do is just log into Coinbase. But then when it comes to actually buying some crypto, there's something you want to do. I'm just going to show you the difference. So once you're logged in, we're already logged in. See if we go to trade here. Okay. So today I was just grabbing a little XLM as a test, right? So if it's Bitcoin, you would just go grab Bitcoin versus the dollar. It's pairs in this case. But so I did XLM for the sake of this example. So here's XLM versus the dollar. Click on that. So over here, we just want to buy some. I wanted to do it instantly, so I just picked the market order. So now what I did was I bought 54 XLM. I'm going to do these numbers so it makes sense later. I did 54 XLM Stellar or Stellar. I'm not sure how you're supposed to not pronounce it. But the estimated fee, 2 cents, right? Okay, fine and dandy, cool. So I did this earlier and I bought some. So I just want to show you this difference. So that was all I did was click on this trade button and I bought it as a pair through Coinbase Advanced. See up here it says Advanced Trade. Okay, that's it. Now, let's say we go back to Coinbase Home. Okay, see this easy quick tab here to buy or sell? Let's say we buy it this way. And we buy it right here. Buy. And let's find XLM. We want some XLM. That's the XLM. And switch to XLM. We want the same 54 again. We want 54 XLM, right? Let's preview this to see what it would look like in this case. Pay with that. The price, purchase, right? Coinbase fee, 99 cents. Need I go on? When I bought it the other way through the advanced trade feature, I paid 2 cents for the exact same amount of XLM. If you buy it the regular way, just using your app, and I think you can get advanced trade through your app too, but if you do I think it's called Simple way, and the default way, it's 99 cents for 54 XLM. But when I went through, and just to show it to you again, when I went through this trade icon, bought the pair XLM, clicked on that, and I bought it this way with the market order. And let's do 54 of them. Again, this estimated fee is 2 cents. So there you have it. If you're buying your crypto through Coinbase, use the Coinbase Advanced Trade feature. You may have to sign up for it because I know you used to have to sign up for Coinbase Pro, but obviously it's going to be worth it to you if you're buying and dollar cost averaging on a regular basis. Hey, let's stop throwing money out the window. So there it is, Coinbase Advanced Trade. That's how you want to buy your Bitcoin and all your other crypto assets at a much lower fee. So I hope this video helps you. I hope you save money in the future like I'm going to be doing. And to the next video. This is JD, and I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.